Hi everybody, welcome back to ᴠᴱɪᴛ. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let us start with the reading. Okay, so I have caution. Alright, so somebody needs to be cautious, alright, during driving, but not only during driving. This is regarding some pregnancy test over here that is fake. Fake, and there is some fear regarding or unsurety regarding about this test, whether it comes positive or negative. That is unsure. But let me tell you that if someone is expecting a new beginning, they have to be very cautious because this is a trap. This is a trap because I see someone using this as a wild card over here. Alright. And this person, this female, okay, whoever is expecting, I think this person is cheating, okay. This person is cheating behind their spouse's back, getting a room or whatever. This person is a cheater, and this baby might not be yours. Yes, and this person literally went against the odds. Literally, I'd say went against the odds because this person had this already in mind that they'll use this as a wild card. Okay, so yes, and now a very big blunder is going to happen. Yes, a whirlwind is coming, something like that. A major ending is coming because of this, and this will cause a complete detour ahead. All right, something about redirection of your life situation. Okay, and then we are coming to burning evidences. So in this burning evidences, I got some kind of business this person is engaged in. This karmic feminine is engaged with some middleman over here. All right, yeah, this is the third party, this is the middleman, and she is burning some evidences over here regarding her plot because she caused a glitch in the matrix. All right, she wanted to cause some emotional disappointment or cause an emotional whirlwind for you guys over here. This says things will stabilize soon, but this person's feelings are all over the place. All right, this person played the role of a puppeteer, karmic feminine, with whomever they are engaged with. All right, this can be your ex-lover. I see trial by fire. So these trials were definitely needed. Okay, these were the tests of your strengths and resilience. This challenge will make you stronger, so don't back down. Facing these people was a part of your trial and tribulations. All right, then we have death and greed. So this person caused something, okay, harmed somebody here and unalived them out of greed, or they want to cause some death here. This person is burning evidences on that. Okay, this person is definitely after somebody's death, somebody's life. What else on this burning evidences? The third party interference, surveillance. This person is stalking you. Okay, can be stalking you, can be stalking. Yeah, this is a heavy stalker vibe over here. That's how they create glitches in the matrix for the people, by stalking, okay, by trapping people. Assassination came out, confirmation. This person is after assassinating somebody, okay, and this person can be stalking some social media figure over here. All right, and I see mountains. So this can be a wooded area where this person resides. All right, can be a wooded area. Yep, and this person is definitely after some finances. Okay, something about greed, something about her plot twist, something about the puppeteer, the games that she's playing, and yes, she's cheating with somebody else for sure. And then we have doing drugs. What about doing drugs over here? The Most High. Clarify. Please clarify doing drugs. Okay. Male. So here, the one who is doing drugs is male. Okay, what else? Who is responsible for all of this, doing drugs, and this is hidden. So this is completely okay. This is a shady vibe, okay? This is all giving me a very shady vibe here, because this person has a personality of a chameleon. This person can adapt to anybody or any situation as they prefer to, okay, as suitable for them. But yes, this person is on substances right now, and I don't know, they are doing something hideously. Can be abuse and neglect. All right, this person is involved in abuse and neglect, imprisonment. All right, so there is a case going on, or police is involved here regarding the imprisonment of this person, of this male over here. All right. Okay. This is a hidden home situation. All right. Yes, this is a domestic situation. This abuse can be a domestic abuse as well. Okay. And let us see what else comes out. Yeah, revenge. Okay. Somebody is wanting a revenge. This person wanted to take some revenge over you. Alright, that's why they are imprisoned now. Okay. And this was done completely hideously or something like that. A revenge, okay. Revenge was taken hideously from you. Might be the case. Alright. Might be the case for sure. Yeah, strangulation. Okay. This person was engaged in some dark shit over here. Alright. Something about committing deaths. Okay. Out of revenge and greed. That's why this person is on drugs over here. And child. Damn. This person abused a child and strangulated a child. I'm so sorry. I'll just request the sensitive souls to please drop off, or you can continue with me if you want to hear this case, but this is the truth coming out over here, guys. This person, out of crime of passion, wanted to take a passionate revenge, okay, over you. And this person, I think, abused a child and strangulated a child maybe. That's why now imprisonment is gonna come, or this person is imprisoned, gonna face imprisonment for strangulating a child maybe. Yes. And they did this out of revenge. Just to take revenge. They harmed an innocent soul. Yes. Okay. They see you somebody from outer space. You can be a star seed. Maybe you're not somebody, definitely you're not somebody from the outer space. So they might have wanted to take revenge on you, okay? They wanted to take revenge on you, and now they are stuck in their own rut over here. Okay, somebody has also, they have caused a natural disaster on social media as well for you guys. Okay, so this person also wanted to cause some defamation of your character over here. Yeah, this is a couple doing this, confirmation. And bottom of the deck is a cult. So this was a cult practice. The whole cult over here is, is involved, okay? The whole cult is involved over here, and they definitely abused a child over here, and now they are running away. They are running away because the whole disaster that they have created for themselves is huge, man. It's huge. Okay. Then we have check yourself. By this I mean to say, this person is still planning on you. They are devising tactics. Yeah, legal proceedings came out. Devil came out. Wow. See, this is a very dark shit going on around you. But you don't have to bother yourself from these people, because see, the legal proceedings are going on, okay, for these devilish people, okay. Definitely legal proceedings are going on, and I think devil came out, so this person might have some entity attachment as well. Yeah, lies. I see lies, and this was an organized crime. The legal proceedings are for an organized crime over here. Okay? Yes. Can be an inside contractual marriage dynamic here. Alright? Check yourself, be careful. Because this person is in a devilish energy. This is a demonic energy coming out. Alright? Yeah, this person deserted you. Okay? This person deserted you completely. This is completely a jealous situation. Oh my god. Okay. So, somebody is poisoning this person out of jealousy? What the hell? Some new information came out. I think this person has to check themselves now. Something regarding an inside game. Some deserter. This karmic feminine. Everything is pointing out towards this karmic feminine in this situation, because these cards are very dark. Again, jealousy and inside game. Yes, I'm definitely sure something is missing. Yeah, this is the missing piece over here. That, see, this person is doing drugs over here, and then we got drugs and poison with jealousy. Somebody is feeding this person poison or drugs or substances in food, okay, and somebody, it's an inside game. Whatever is going on, it's going on inside this cult. Some deception is also going inside this cult as well, okay, not only outside but also inside. Somebody is after this male's life. Yes, okay. Okay. Yes, this affair is completely based on lies. That's what I was telling you guys. Okay, somebody is definitely feeding this person lies, completely lies. So this person needs to check themselves. Okay, wow, this person is gone for good, man. You are healing from this situation because of your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you right now. So now regret came out. This person will definitely regret joining this cult, working for this cult. They are being heavily manipulated. See, mind control and family came out. See, now I see that this person is being, okay, wow, new situation came out. The family is jealous. Family is jealous, bro. The family of this person is jealous, and they are controlling this person through drugs or poison. Okay, by feeding them drugs or poison. Now what? Yeah, this is a completely deserting situation. Devil came out, right? This person is in a devilish energy. This is kept completely hidden. This is an inside situation going on in that cult. Okay, yeah. Somebody wants to even fake this person's death by first giving them drugs or poison and then faking their death. That's simple, right? That's simple for this cult. This person is being deceived, man. This person is being deceived, and this person doesn't even knows that this person is being deceived by the inside members. And this is an inside job, let me tell you. This is an inside job. What else came out? Can be a serial killer involved here, okay? Kind of hitman. Alright? Accomplice or partner in crime. Okay? Some accomplice over here for sure involved. One thing is definitely coming out of this reading under check yourself, for this male specifically. This person out of this family is jealous of this person for sure. They are mind controlling this person through drugs or poison, and this is an inside job. Again, I feel that I have a strong feel that, or I'm getting that this person, whoever is in the devilish energy, legal proceedings are going on against them, okay, and somebody wants to poison them and fake their death for some reason, man, for some greedy reason, okay, for some ill reason. This person can be a caregiver, okay, and now they are in debt. They are soon going in debt. I said death. Oh my god, death is coming for these people for sure. They caused a lot of abuse, okay, for a child over here. I'll leave you guys here, okay. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in, guys. Keep showering your love, blessings, and support in this way. Alright, I'll see you in the next message. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Divine rising and ciao.